Hi koalas. This picture shows some different letters that make one sound. Let's do this one. O-R, or, as in E-or. Okay, Tara says or for that sound. This one, and this one sound alike. Not everywhere, but a lot of the words have the same sound for this. The sound is ah, ah. Okay, let's look at this one. A-U, ah, as in autumn, autumn. Ah, the sound is ah. A-W, ah, ah, as in saw. It's a saw. This is a saw. Ah, the sound is ah. And this one, A-L. When you have a k after A-L, it has the ah sound. We say talk, t-ah-k. We don't say talk. We say talk. Okay, so the sound is ah, A-L. Ah, when you have a k. This is actually CP level, boys and girls. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it, but you have a lot of books with the word talk or walk. So that's why it's kind of nice just to see it, even though we may not use it right now. But the words talk and walk have that sound ah and not all. Because usually we'd say all. Okay? So let's just do these sounds again. Ah, ah, ah. I'm going to make a K because when there's a K after the L, it'll have that sound. If there's not a K, it may not. So this one's kind of tricky, okay? So A-W, A-U, or, E-or, when we do E-or, like the donkey. No more sounds, boys and girls. These two have the same sound for me. 4 different patterns. This one, I kind of don't want to even put it in this category. This one you can if you have a K at the end. But these two, A-W and A-U, you can say ah, ah.